Chicks wake up with morning cheer, dancing as the sun draws near. Fluffy feet on grassy ground, twirl and spin and hop around. Crunchy corn and seeds so sweet, chicks all peep and race to eat. Peck and nibble, flop with glee, breakfast fun for you and me. Down the hill we bounce and glide, petals swirl on every side. Laughing loud we roll with glee, in the flowers wild and free. Splash and giggle, jump so high, water sparkles near the sky. Puddle games on rainy days bring us joy in splashy ways. Up we climb with cheerful cheer, Scarecrow's smile is warm and near. Hop and slide, then leap once more, laughing loud from top to floor. Chick train rolls through Flowerland, veggie cars look bright and grand. Wheels go round and feathers sway on this happy bumpy way. Leafy hammocks swinging slow, under tulips gentle glow. Cozy dreams begin to play after such a busy day. Firefly lights and stars so bright, marching softly through the night. Fluffy feet in glowing rows, underneath the moonlight's glow.
TuttuguttuTV.